Our report, Lesson 20, Globalization of Education, Definition of Terms. Education. First is education, the process of teaching and learning, the discipline concerned with facilitating transfer and exchange of knowledge, skills, and belief and value system. So, need jud nato ni education kay kailangan nato ni seryosohon para mas makabalo ta sa atong saktong pamatasan o saktong kaalam sa mga trabaho abot sa panahon. So, equivalence process of gauging whether one's level of achievement is commensurate to the expected requirements for academic degree. So, equivalency. Equivalency kay kailangan nato ni agi og equivalency assessment para mas mahibal-an nato og daghan masugtay nahibal-an o kaagi sa atong applyan nga mga trabaho. Ikatulo kay qualification framework, a set of standards and competencies that serve as basis evaluating education qualification between and among nation states. So, qualification is ginagamit ni sa Pilipinas frameworks para ikumpara og kinsay mas daghan og mahibal-an ang nag-eskwela ba sa Philippines or sa laing nasod. Introduction. So, introduction. If there is a sphere of life which are greatly interlinked to globalization, it is education. We mention that cultural, economic, and political flows are easily defined. We can say that one or its roles is to serve as a channel through which flow of knowledge and information is done. So, introduction. Dako kayo og tabang ang education no sa atoa kay direta makat-on og saktong pamatasan og mga kaalam sa mga trabaho nga kailangan nato. Trends education amidst globalization. Transnational education, studying abroad is not new, but with the advancement in transportation technologies and the evaluation of international policies on migration, it is becoming more possible more learners in a territory to receive formal education. In a different country, according to UNESCO 2015, there were 4.1 million international students between 2025 to 2013, rising to as high as almost 4.9 million in 2016 migration data portal 2019 citing UNESCO 2018 data. So, ang transnational education kay gipakita kung giun sa pagpadako sa kaalam o sa kabalo sa eskwela sa laing nasod, pero dili ra siya pero parehar gyapon siya diri sa order kang makamon sa Pilipinas og eskwela kay naram gyapon tay makuha nga mga kaalam o kabalo. So, international mobile data, mobile students, individual who has physical cross an international border between two countries with the objectives to participate in education activities in a destination country, where destination country is different from his or her country or region UNESCO. So, internationally mobile students kay mauni mga estudyante nga ni balis og eskwela sa laing nasod. foreign students, non-citizens who are currently enrolled in higher education degree course, usually moving to another country with their families. So, foreign foreign students mao ni mga estudyante nga nakahuman og eskwela sa laing nasod nga gatudlo tuod pero ga tutor sila dili sa mga eskwelahan, hindi kanang ga-tutor sila sa mga student para sa college or senior high school. Credit mobile students not necessarily moving into another country but are taking some units from a foreign university. Ban, Mall, and Icamper 2016. Mao ni nga mga estudyante nga nag-eskwela para sa Philippines pero gakuha gyapon sila og uban sa kanang subject sa laing nasod pero ga online class ra sila. Tapos concern about leveling of education training among people in the international labor market has been addressed through process of equivalence and recognition process before the K-12 curriculum was implemented in the country. Teachers from the Philippines who wish to teach in a K-12 curriculum, say for example in the UAE, need to secure attestation from the government that the academic training they received from their home country is comparable to the required training to perform the role of a teacher in the host country. So, gina importante kaayo ang equivalence and qualification framework kay para ng mga estudyante na nakahuman og eskwela kay ginagaan og mga rewards. Mao ni sila magtabang sa mga estudyante nga nakahuman og eskwela.